Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This side Prince, and in this particular session we are going to discuss about what is the difference between running the WinAppDriver with root capability and without root capability. So before we jump on to discussion, let me discuss about what we have discussed so far. We have discussed about different ways of running WinAppDriver. We have discussed about running it manually, then we discussed about running it programmatically. To run it programmatically, we have two different ways. One is process filter, which we have already covered. Then we discussed about running it with APM. Later on, we discussed about how to run it with root capability and without root capability. Today, we are going to discuss about what is the difference between running it with root capability and without root capability and what is the need. So let me jump on to the code. So if you remember, I'll be sharing the previous sessions in the description, which we have already covered. So in the previous session, if you notice, this is, we are keeping this root capability as false. So we are now running the WinAppDriver, right? So when the control will come here, so by default it is set as false. If it is false, the control will go in the else block. Okay. If the control will go into the else block, then what we are doing, we are pointing to the location of application, that is kelsey.exe, and then after we are providing these things. Okay, so in this case what happens is we are trying to attach the driver to the application itself, so that it will be able to interact with these applications. But what happens if, for example, I try to launch this particular application using WinAppDriver or without root capability, I mean, then what will happen? This WinAppDriver is unable to detect it. So it happens in some applications only that it is unable to detect it, and it leads to opening of multiple windows. So I'll just show you. So what is happening? So if you notice, right now it is 2, 3 got opened. Similarly, like multiple windows will get open. Okay. So this is why what we needed. We needed to run it through root capability. So what is the purpose of running it with root capability? So if I'll show you, this is the inspector. Okay. So if I'll run it with root capability, so instead of attaching the WinAppDriver to a particular application, we are attaching the WinAppDriver, or we are starting the WinAppDriver with this root capability, so that we can get the handle of a particular application to which we want to attach, or on which we want to start the WinAppDriver with particular strategy, with a different strategy, right? So that it opens only one application. So let me go to the root capability. Okay. So in this case, as I already mentioned, that we are not running the exe through WinAppDriver. So we are launching it programmatically by a different approach without WinAppDriver. Okay. So in this case, what we are doing, we are using inbuilt function of Java, that is runtime. Okay. This will lead to opening of window. And then after, what we are doing, we have kept this root capability as true, and we are now starting the WinAppDriver. Okay, so the control will come here, and this is the only difference. So we need to add root in place of exe, as we mentioned in case of non-root. In case of non-root, this is the capability that we need to provide, and in case of root, we need to provide this particular capability. And remember, this should be capital R. If it is small r, it won't be able to perform its operations. Okay, then after, rest of the things are okay, like same as it is, and we are able to start the application. Okay, then what we are doing, after we start the exe, after we start it with the root capability, what we are trying to do, using this WinAppDriver, because the control is now at the root, right? So we are now trying to figure out the handle of it. So what will happen, once the calculator will open, it will also start appearing here, right? So we are trying to get the calculator element, calculator window. Let me open the calculator once. So calculator got opened. I'm just showing you for the reference purpose. So if you, I'm refreshing it so that I get it. So if you notice, then we have calculator. So we are trying to get the element of this calculator window. Now, if you notice, we got the element of this calculator window. Then after, what we are trying to get, we are trying to get native handle of it. So let me show you once. So this is something you will find here, native handle. Then using this 3 line of code, we are trying to convert in a form so that it doesn't lead to open multiple windows. Okay, so these are the 3 things that we need to provide. First we need to get the window handle, native window handle, then we need to convert it into a hex win handle, and then after, these are the desired capability which is required to start the WinAppDriver once again to that particular application. So purpose of running the root, the WinAppDriver with root capability was to get the calculator window, and then get the this hex window handle so that we can launch a one session of application. Okay, so if you notice, then what we are doing, we need to provide this particular thing, the ms colon wait for launch app launch. This is the time. Okay, then we need to provide this particular thing, app top level window, meaning we need to provide this particular 2 capabilities only. If we provide these 2 capability and then we are running the WinApp driver, so now what we are doing, we are passing this particular capability. Okay, so rest of the things are same only difference is first we run it with root and we got the calculator window handle, and then we converted it into hex, and then we are restarting the WinApp driver. Okay, with these capabilities. So these are the capability which want let it launch multiple windows. So I'll just show you. I'm closing the previous window so that you will get more clarity. So now I'm running it with the root capability, and you will see the difference. In this case, application got launched, a single session of it got launched, and it will now click on 9 as well, because this is what we have asked. Okay, so if I show you, so this is a single session, it got opened, right? And this is how it takes place. So this is what is the root capability, and this is the need of running the root capability. Whenever there is multiple windows getting open, in those cases we use the root capability to get the window handle of that particular application so that we can proceed further and we can interact with such applications. So this is the difference between root and non-root capabilities. Thank you for